which is illegal, and demolish it. That I am doing. Second thing is, moment he passes order, and that I will demolish that house, and I am going to make a pumping station. See, this inspection is as regards various works that are taking place in the constituency, including pre-monsoon works and ongoing works. It is a review so that all works are completed in time, and whatever inconvenience people face, that is being reacted. I had called the disaster management committee led by Deputy Collector, who is the nodal officer, along with all the other line departments which are associated. You have seen one part of the place where we visited. Anytime that place can collapse. So we have to, on urgent basis, we have to readdress that problem and build that wall. That wall is rock bolting is part of the process which happens. Once the rock bolting is done, then there is that hill will not fall. Number one. Number two, we need two places to put up pumping station. Land has been occupied illegally by some two people. Now there is even a High Court order, so we will expedite the demolition in those two places. Once that is done, then we will build both these pumping stations. Soon after that, we will follow the sewerage pipelines, and then they can take the sewage connection. And this particular thing of leaving the sewage in open gutters, particularly now with oncoming monsoons, which is a common phenomenon, will not happen. So we are trying to do it as fast as possible. Following this is a full-fledged pre-monsoon and disaster management committee meeting which will take place in my office, where we will review all other issues, what needs to be done pre-monsoon and soon after that or during the monsoon. This is how we have always been there with a hands-on approach to every little problem that is there, so people don't face difficulties.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.
Ready to ride small and save big? Counter Honda brings you an exclusive limited period offer on India's favorite scooter, the Honda Activa. For a short time only, get a special discount of up to Rs 3,000 on your brand new Activa. Whether it's the trusted, stylish and most reliable Honda Activa, there's never been a better time to make it yours. Smooth performance, legendary mileage, unmatched reliability, and now huge savings too. But hurry, this offer is only valid till 31st of May at Counter Honda showroom. Walk in today, test ride your new Activa and grab your Rs 3,000 discount before it's gone. Counter Honda, your ride begins here.